Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Tonkeeper wallet on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, tap on send, and here we need to copy our Toncoin address and memo tag from Binance. So open Binance, tap on wallets, tap on spot, and then select deposit. Then search for Ton inside the list and tap on the first result. For the network, select Toncoin. Now, copy the Toncoin address, return to Tonkeeper, and then paste the Toncoin address from Binance. After that, return to Binance and copy the memo. Then return to Tonkeeper, paste the memo, and then tap on Continue to proceed. Here you can enter the preferred amount of Ton you would like to send. Then tap on Continue to proceed. Now tap on Confirm and select Send. It will then prompt, "Are you sure you want to send your entire balance?" Simply tap on Continue, enter your passcode, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can send Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.